Hi there, this is Steve at STO N SHO. We're out here at VW today and we're going to do a fitment on the VW Golf GTI. This one's a 23, but the 23, 24s are the same.
Every 5 years.
And unfortunately there are no fasteners. So this one will be a drill. It's going to go in the center. Up underneath there, you'll drill 2 holes in the base plate, but they will be up underneath. So go ahead and get started here. I'm going to turn it over to Mike.
Okay, thanks, Steve. All right, so on this one again, like Steve said, there's no, you can see, it's all smooth underneath there, so there's no fasteners we can take advantage of. So we're going to have to put holes and put a 6.3 by 20 to hold it up. But to help you do that, we use a double-sided foam tape, and that'll allow you to stick the bracket on to the car and get it lined up exactly the way you want it before you're putting any holes in there, so you know exactly where you had it. So you're going to want to be like a 1/4 inch off and then dead center. So you do that, and you stick it on there, and then once you have it on there, you go back and look at it and make sure that it's where you like it.
Okay, this one needs to go over to the left, because this is your center spot right here. So you need to go to the left.
Okay, so we'll move it over to the left a little bit.
Yeah, looks pretty good right there. And then let's check the... So you're straight on, so you need to definitely come back. You're about 1/8 of an inch or so, so you need to come back about an 1/8. Maybe a little more, maybe just a tish more. Okay, and the good thing about this is, even though it's a drill, is you can, however close you want it to be to the front bumper, you can put it there and then...
double check your stuff and then...
Yeah. So that's good. I think that's good right there.
Oops, I think I got a little crooked there. Okay.
Let's check the center
Double check
again.
that.
Okay, I think we're lined up.
All right, perfect. Okay.
And we're going to drill an 1/8 inch pilot hole. And it doesn't. You can leave the tape on there. This double-sided tape. You can just go ahead and fasten the base down. Put that on. We're going to drill our 2 holes. And once you have those, now you can get your 10mm socket, and you're going to use 6.3 by 20 screws on this. And you're just going to get them started, and you don't need to fasten them down completely yet. Once you have them both in, then you can tighten them down till they're snug, and then usually about a 1/2 turn, because you do not want to over tighten these, because you'll strip out that hole. Yeah.
So basically flush and a 1/2 or 1/4 to a 1/2 turn. Right, flush, 1/4 to about a 1/2 turn, and you'll feel you can.
All right.
All right. So once the base plate is secure, then you're gonna put the front plate on by starting it into the tubes. Pull the pull pin, and just slide it until it clicks into place.
All right, and then make sure to periodically lubricate your pull pin with WD-40. And if you go through an automated car wash, make sure you remove the front plate. It will damage it. And here, let me just get a front end picture here, or angle, and that's where your license plate will go, and that's what it's gonna look like when you're done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. then take your 10mm socket or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.